Good day everyone, welcome back to Not Is Dope. And in today's video we'll be talking about this right here. And what this is a Skyrim watch that I just received. As you guys know, I do love a nice watch. I do a lot of content where I'm wearing watches, so I actually partnered with Skyrim where they'll be sending me some watches to feature in some upcoming videos, especially in my Time for a Drive series, where we put the tech down and we just go for a nice drive, maybe some drives up and down on PCH, maybe some cruises with my friends with the supercars, maybe some track days. Whenever I'm doing a Time for a Drive, that watch may be featured by Skyrim. So before we dive on in, let's talk about the box. As you can see, nice little branding, precision craftsmanship, Skyrim brand right over here, luxury made accessible, and also the Skyrim logo up on top. Speaking about luxury made accessible, these watches are a mod, so the movement is by Seiko. So the movement on this particular watch is a Seiko Speedmaster Professional. If you're looking to actually purchase this watch, I will pin a link in the description so you can actually check that out. So let's dive on in. The box, as you can see, opens up like this. A real clean movement. Inside of here you have your envelope that has your certification, your thank you letter, and your warranty card, all inside of here. That's inside of the envelope. Simply pop it back in and onto the party piece. Inside the party piece is this right here. So this is a protection case the watch actually comes in. Has a real nice feel to it. I believe it's leather, and it has two locking mechanisms on top. And once you open this up, you can see you have the watch inside. So to get the watch out, you have to unlock this side and unlock that side. So as you can see, this is what the watch actually sits in. And speaking about the watch, this is the watch right here. And as I said, this is a Seiko Speedmaster Professional, white face with orange highlights and also a gray band. So real clean, nice design. As you guys know, I do love a good orange on a watch. So when you put this watch on, simply check this out. This is what the watch looks like on wrist. As I said, a real clean, nice design. This watch will be featured in my next Time for a Drive, where we take out a crazy car for a nice drive around California. So until next time, you gotta admit, this is pretty dope, pretty cool. And if you're looking for this particular watch, you'll find it linked in my description. You gotta admit, now that's dope, right? Until next time, see you guys.